Japan Society of Northern California held a Kyudo and Iaido workshop on January 29, 2023 at Redwood Kyudojo. It was a very fun and interesting event. Kyudo, or the way of the bow, is the Japanese martial art of archery and is practiced by thousands globally. This martial art traces its origins back to prehistoric times when the use of the bow and arrow are developed for hunting. The versions that we see now has endured since the Edo period. Today, Kyudo is primarily practiced for its educational and athletic aspects, as a way to discipline your mind and body. Iaido, or the way of the sword, is a martial art form developed as a defensive method to counter surprise attacks and enemy raids in 15th and 16th century in Japan. The purpose of Iaido was to slay an opponent with one stroke of the sword immediately after unseizing. In this event, people are able to have unique experiences to practice both of these traditional martial art forms.
Building bridges between the United States and Japan since 1905. Japan Society.